Typhoon Nanto, we have a total of 440 barangays affected out of the 559, and then 14,512 families comprising 53,627 individuals. For partially damaged houses, being 3,905, and for totally we have 69. For the agricultural losses based from the report submitted by the different local government units, we have 212 million. And for infrastructure is 1,607 million pesos. For the reports submitted by the PPWA Second Engineering District, First Engineering District, and the Provincial Engineering Office, as well as the Schools Division Office of the Ilocos Norte and Lawag City, we incurred the damage, estimated cost of damage of 57,134,620.26 pesos. And for agriculture, from our Provincial Veterinary Office and Agriculture Office, we incurred a total of 330,423,271.42, for a total of 2.1 billion for the combined estimated cost of damage for agriculture and infrastructure.
Are there any questions?